This is gonna be, looks like $1.99 on sale.
Hey, guys, I'm on the machine. I'm just letting Sal work out how to ring somebody up.
There's no...
Sal's employee of the month last month.
Yes,
Yeah, you're in good hands.
Yeah.
You're in good hands. Employee of the month last
Employee
month.
of the month. I just need to help it.
Sal actually wrote the program behind his computers. There's no problem.
Yeah, I got it all worked out, so.
So
2916.
I'd love to help you, but I'm in the middle of it.
I get it. Hey.
Yeah, they normally use the scanners. I know, but Sal does it his own way. He does it his own thing.
Just one.
You can't even figure out the bags.
$5.96.
Oh, she wants this too? Yeah, you want that too? Add that on.
Just go. I got it, because I can't.